In this video, we will learn about the 5S concept. 5S is a Japanese concept for organizing workplace so that work can be performed efficiently, effectively and safely. It consists of 5 words starting with letter S. Let's have a look to all one by one.
Sort, straighten,
Shine,
standardize, and sustain. In this video, we will take a closer look at each of those rules and how they apply to our workspaces here at Production Machine. The first S stands for sort. Sorting is done by removing all items that are unnecessary for the job function from the work area. Common items that must be sorted include cardboard, garbage, extra wrenches, nuts, bolts, tools, and anything that does not belong in the work area. It is the responsibility of all employees who work in these areas to keep them clean. The second S stands for straighten. Straightening the work area is accomplished by making sure all items that belong in the work area are in their proper homes. Boxes in the work area must be arranged in their proper locations. Raw materials must be placed in the spaces marked raw. Finished parts in the spaces marked finished. The gauge benches are labeled to show the proper locations of all items that belong in the gauging area. Paperwork, gauges, first pieces. These are the only items that belong on the gauge benches. The workbenches use shadow boards to show which tools belong on the workbenches and where they belong. Shadow boards visibly show where each item belongs in the work area. Cleaning stations have been placed around the shop to conveniently provide all the necessary tools for cleanup. The tools in each work area are labeled or color-coded to indicate which areas they belong in. It is important to replace the tool exactly where it came from after each use.
Third S stands for shine.
Sweeping or cleaning is to be performed daily throughout the shift and especially at the end of the shift. Machines are to be kept clean and filled with coolant at the end of each shift. The gauge table and gauges must be wiped down. The workbench must be wiped down. Most of this cleaning can be performed during the shift. Each area should be cleaned before leaving to run another machine or leaving at the end of the shift. It is important not only to maintain a clean work area, but also to leave a clean work area for the next person. The fourth S stands for standardized. Each of these work areas are standardized and organized in a similar fashion. The necessary tools should be at each machine to perform all required tasks. If the job requires tools that are not included in the work area, do not remove tools from another work area. Ask your supervisor or lead person to provide you with the tools you need. Finally, the fifth S stands for sustain. Sustaining a clean and organized work area is the most important part for the 5S program. Everyone is responsible for sustaining the cleanliness and organization of the entire facility. Each 5S area has a check sheet that must be signed at the end of each shift. This check sheet indicates that the 5S area has been sorted, straightened, swept, standardized, and sustained. Additional audits will be conducted periodically to ensure that these areas are being sustained. It is the responsibility of everyone who works at Production Machine to maintain our 5S program. This includes operators, setup personnel, inspectors, maintenance personnel, and managers. By keeping a clean, well-organized, and most importantly, a safe work environment, we can continue to provide our customers with world-class, high-quality machining services.